Hey guys, I just wanted to come at you with a little unboxing, as you might say, which I didn't even open yet. So let me, tweezers, they come in handy for everything. So, pink box. Anyways, that'll be a little bit of a skip cut because I had a phone call, so I took care of that and then I came back. So back to this blue paper out of the Kylie box. Looks like changed the card with the new year. Good choice. Love these products you picked. I hope you enjoy them as much as I do. XOXO Kylie. If you bought Kylie stuff, you know the drill. That's a common thing. So, in this box we have the blush. This was the new one, Pink Dreams. Every time I looked at her blushes, they were either too orange or too pink. Not really me. But then she compared like two of her favorites, which were like an orange and a pink. And she said, if they had a baby, this is what you would get. So here's what it looks like. Ooh. Let's just, no foundation, no nothing. Let's just jump right into it. I don't hate it, which is good since I bought it. That's going in my everyday drawer. Then my next product is I only ordered two things because the other day she was having a sale and it was like mix and match blush and highlighters. And so I wanted to get her highlighter that was also new. And this is the Sunday Brunch. Ooh. Just gonna dip right into my brush here. Ooh. Do you see that? Let's do this side. Ooh. I already have a little bit of Jeffree on my nose. We'll just mix Jeffree and Kylie together. We know how much they love each other. This is a pretty color though. This is also probably going into my everyday drawer. Let's just cover my face in highlighter today. Yay! I don't know. I like it. I like it a lot. It's Kinsey approved. So yeah, that pretty much sums up that. This is also going in my go-to drawer because it's a good one. I think I'm really gonna enjoy it. Although I did just get my Jeffree highlighter, which we'll talk about later. Bye.